Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the journal junk box for April. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the journal junk box for April just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is going to be my third box now, and I am totally falling in love with this box. If you've seen my other videos, then you obviously know why as well. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what products are going to be in the April box. I'm so excited. So when we open it up, that is what it looks like. On top, you have your card, and then you have your monthly card that will go over the products. And it says, April, let us live like flowers, wild, beautiful, and drenched in sun. How cute. And it says, hey, journal babe, on the sticker. And then once we remove that, there's a little sneak peek to inside of the box. Okay, so let's go with the first thing right on top that we saw, which is this right here. And oh my gosh, I really like those. And it's double-sided. So look at all of these stickers that you get. And they're different on both sides. So those are some beautiful stickers. Sunshine. I really like that. And I like all the colors and I like the designs. So let's see if it says anything on this one. So this is the Garden Party 70-piece thicker set by American Crafts. And this is valued at $6.99. But again, that's a lot of stickers on there. I like that. So there's item number one. Next we have, it says Orange Blossom Vermont Bakery Douglas Sweets Scottish Shortbread. Ooh, I love shortbread cookies, so ooh, those sound amazing. But that is what it says, Orange Blossom Cookies. I wonder if it tastes like a little bit of orange, like flavor to it. It does have oranges even on the like design of it. This one here says Orange Blossom Scottish Shortbread Cookies by Douglas Sweets. This is valued for $3.99, but I have to see if these taste like orange. Like, ooh, I'm smelling, I think, a little bit of orange in there. Ooh, they smell good. I'm gonna just take this one right here on the top. They melt in your mouth. And I'm definitely picking up on an orange flavor. I've never had an orange flavored shortbread cookie. So those are so good. So let's keep going. We have something in this little bag here. It says, thank you for helping me grow. A little plant tag. And then you have a little Be Happy, easy to grow wildflowers set. That is so cute. So whatever container you put it in, you can stick this little stick down in there, which says, thank you for growing me. So you have like a little tag for that. That is super cute. Oh, these are a free gift. It says wildflower seed pack and wooden garden marker. Free gift to enjoy. That is so cool. And I like that it's not just a seed packet. There's a little marker to go with it, which is adorable. And you guys know I have my garden going, so I definitely wanted to get like some pots and put some flowers for the summer and the springtime. So that's amazing. I'm definitely going to be planting those. So that's cool. Oh, and speaking of garden, here's some actual gardening gloves. Let me see if they would fit my big ol' hands, because I have the worst time finding gloves that will fit me. So let me see. If they don't, I will give them to my friend, but I think they're actually, oh my gosh, they're actually going to, ooh, they fit me like a glove. No pun intended. They fit me like a glove. Oh my gosh, it's like they were literally meant for me. Like I don't even have gaps in between my fingers to go down. These literally fit me so well. They have like a rubbery like coating on the inside to help so they won't probably get like wet when you're digging in your dirt or mud. I think these are adorable. Oh my goodness. And I'm so glad that they fit me. I'm just so glad that they fit me. So these right here, let me find it. These are Garden of Paradise Weeder gloves by Women's Work, and they're valued for $9.90. I think that is super cute though, this theme, like gardening, flowers, and then there's gloves in there. That is just so cool. So now we have, it says Garden Party 3 stencil. Oh, so there's 3 different stencils. Okay, that is really neat. So the first one is all these like butterflies and flowers and leaves. And then the second stencil is just all bows, all different styles of bows. And then the last one is the alphabet and numbers. That is amazing for journaling, scrapbooking, or anything, even if you're gonna write out a card or anything. So that's really cool to have. I don't have that, I don't think, any stencils. So now I have a 3-piece. This is the Garden Party 3-piece stencil set by Maggie Holmes, $5.99 value. See, it's all garden theme. So we have some more items in here, you guys. Oh my gosh, is this a journal? Let me remove the plastic. Look at how cute. And this is kind of raised a little bit. I don't know if you're gonna be able to pick up on it, but it's kind of raised slightly. So you can tell it's like on top. It just looks really, really nice. And it feels really nice. I like this. That's so pretty. And then inside is just all lined paper. So you can write and use this for anything that you would like. And I do like that it has this little thing to hold it closed. And yeah, so this again is valued for $8.99. And that is a really nice journal. I like those colors too. Those are really, really pretty. Very springy too. So very appropriate for this time of year. Ooh, and then we have is a little set over here. Are these all markers? That's what they look like. Let me remove the plastic. So this is the Colorful Floral Bloom Gel Pen Set of 10. $10.99 value. So they're all gel pens. That is really, really neat. I know a lot of times we tend to get like a lot of markers or highlighters, but this is an actual gel pen set. And I like that they all have their own cute little designs on them, and they're all their own different color. That is really cute. Let me do the light blue, because I think that might kind of resemble more of like a teal, maybe. I don't know. But it's really pretty with the blue and the stars. Yeah, it's a really pretty blue. I just did a little little tiny heart. But it's a fine pen. It writes really well. And I'm really excited that we have this whole set. So there we go. And again, I don't have anything like that to have all these different colors of gel pens. And I like that it's in its own little container. So if you're ever looking for a gel pen, like a colored one, you know all of them are in one area. And they're all nice and kept in this little case. So that is really neat. We have like 2 more items left in here, I believe. Ooh, what is this little pretty thing? Look at this little pretty thing. It looks like a drawer. What is it? Santa Barbara Design Studio. What are you? Oh, it's a pin holder. Oh, so maybe you're supposed to put your pins in here. Well, you could put anything in here. You can even use it for makeup brushes if you wanted to, or lip liner, pencils, that kind of thing. You can literally use this for anything, but I think that's super cute that it looks like a little like pull-out style drawer. Let me remove this. Isn't that so cute? So you can use this for a pin holder. You can use it for colored pencils. Like I said, anything for your makeup, tools, straws in your kitchen. You can literally use this for anything. And I think that is so cute. That is so cute. So this is a spring floral pin holder by SBD Studio, valued for $11.99. Again, you can use it for anything. And then the last one in here is an actual whole set of washi tape, not just one. There's a whole box of them. This is the Garden Party. There's 7 of them inside. Wow. Okay, let me open this so you can see what they look like a little better. This is the Garden Party washi tape set of 7 by Maggie Holmes. It's valued for $10.99. I am so ecstatic on these gloves, and they fit my hands. Like, I just looked and saw them again, so It just sparked this little thing inside me like of excitement. This is such a cute gardening spring like theme. Very, very cute. Okay, so let me get these out. So this one right here just has like all these really pretty like greens, and it looks like there might be a rose right there, but it's like all green tones, super pretty. This one has some color, like pink colored roses on it with some greenery. And this one is really, really cute too. It's just all like little tickets that go around. Here's this one. And I like that they're different sizes. So for whatever project or whatever you're trying to do, you have different sizes. That one just has little polka dots. Two more in this set. This one looks like little homes, like a home sweet home type of a thing. And this one says, lovely, sunshine, beautiful, sweet. Lovely, sunshine, beautiful, sweet, repeated. So that is really neat. And again, I'm glad that it's like a whole box of them this time, not just like one. You have 7 different ones in there. Okay, you guys, so that is everything for the April box. So a quick recap, we got the 7-piece washi tape, which is super cute. You have this pull-out pin or any type of a holder that you would like to use it for, but it's super cute, and I like the little knob. You have this whole set of gel pen markers. You have a really, really cute journal book. You have a 3-piece stencil set. You have the gloves, gardening gloves. This big old set of stickers. You have the orange blossom shortbread cookies, which are amazing. And then a free little gift to plant some flowers and just enjoy watching flowers grow for this season. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in the April box. I'm totally loving the theme and everything that is inside. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know down below. So if you want a little bit more information about Journal Junk Box, I will let you know right about now. First thing, they did generate my own code, which is SheCrafty. SheCrafty will get you 15% off. I will have them all linked down below. You can definitely go and check them out. So for this box, journals, cute office supplies, and so much more you'll adore. Love to decorate your office space with cute office things and get lost in creating? Want that positive push to finish your goals to be the best version of you? You'll love this box because you deserve it. Journaling is known to be therapeutic and good for the soul. Pamper yourself, relax, and unwind with a monthly dose of surprise journals, stationery, pretty office things, and a special gift just for you. So with this one, there's 3 different levels. You start out with the Journal Junk Sack. So if you really, really like the box, but you don't want to go straight to the full box, you want to dabble in there and get your toes wet, that one would probably be for you. The Journal Junk Sack Mini is $26.95 monthly. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $24.95, and 12 months will bring it to $22.95. If you want the full box like they sent me, the full size box is $44 a month. If you go to 6 months, it brings it to $42.95, and 12 months brings it to $39.95. Both of those shipping is in addition for the single boxes. And then you guys, if you love both of them and you want to just grab both the sack and the box, you can bundle them together. And that's a great thing because even though there might be similar items, it's a different design, a different color, or a completely different item. So you don't get too many repeats. And if you do, you can always save them and gift them to another. But if you want to go to the junk box and sack bundle, that one is $71.95 per month, and that includes free shipping. So for the bundle monthly, it includes the free shipping. And if you want to save more money, you can go and prepay for the entire year. Not only do you get one box for free and you get it cheaper, but all of those include free shipping in the price. So if you pay for 1 year in advance or you do the bundle, shipping is included. If you just do month to month, 6 months, that kind of thing, then shipping is in addition. And they also have an online shop. So if you don't want to go quite to a subscription, you don't want to make that commitment to lock in every single month, you can definitely just shop shop, their online store, without having a subscription. You can purchase anything for yourself or gift ideas or anything like that as well. Again, they will all be linked down below. You can definitely go and check them out. So comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this box? I am just loving this box more and more, and this is becoming one of my tops. So let me tell you, it is just such a cute and fun box. I love that it's not just stationery or just journaling. It has other lifestyle items in there as well. It's just a really cool box just to pamper yourself, spoil yourself, or another. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.